And I'm back. So the trade has been executed, but not the contract that not the option that we tried to sell before. So I had to change it. So if you, I'll go to the messages and I'll show you what actually got executed. So let's go to the one here. Yes. So I tried. Oh, no, not that. All right, this one. So this is what we sold or tried to sell. We tried to sell it at 0.5 per unit per contract. So that would have been $50 per contract. It did not get sold, though the Robinhood initially showed that that was the right price. It did not get sold. So after waiting for some time, it canceled that order and created a new order for $30. That it didn't execute. That it changed to $25, and that got executed. So that got actually executed at $27. I have one thing to say about Robinhood in this. To change orders, right? If you're using the web app, Robinhood takes you to the whole history page to cancel this order. And most of the time, I don't know how they optimize this website. The page gets stuck. I don't know if it happens with you. So here, while I was trying to change the order, um, the page simply wouldn't render. So I had to go to my phone mobile app and create the order from there. That's something really bad about Robinhood. Also, Robinhood has a lot of quirks. If you're trying to change um, the option on the same day, most of the platforms allow changes all the way up to like 3 p.m. CST. But Robinhood does not. I mean, after 2 o'clock or something, they start closing all the positions, and even during the day in the morning, when you create options, certain things they just cancel it outright. So you'd think that you have an open order. A few seconds later, they'll just cancel it by themselves. So yeah, if you're doing huge volume, let's say your account is your half a million above, I wouldn't recommend using Robinhood. Um, Robinhood is just for relatively small accounts. Uh, all right, and I'm really sorry. Um, I'll be masking this account because I did not really plan to show this particular account. What I've been showing is in another account. Um, so you wouldn't. I'm planning to hide the overall account value. I'm sorry. I'll reveal this account at a later date, but not at this moment in time. All right. Thank you, guys. Stay safe, stay happy.